Hey everyone, welcome to Spartan V for all your hair system needs. Today I'm going to be talking about should you get a hair system. So there's obviously lots of us who wear hair systems. It's not widely known massively around the world yet, but it's getting bigger every day. So what I just wanted to address for some of those people who are still on the fence, what you think you should do. So just to give you a bit of background, I have covered part of this before in one of my original videos. So I want to go into a bit more detail about it, just so you can get a good understanding of if it's going to be right for you. But as usual, if you enjoy my videos, like and subscribe. Right, let's crack on. Okay, so first of all, for me, it was about how I looked. You know, this is a vanity project at the end of the day. This is something that, you know, you look at yourself and you're either happy or you're not with what you see. Sometimes things are really hard to change, but in regards to this is an easy change. The only thing sometimes it can be money. You know, it's not the cheapest thing in the world, but I have the full head of hair. It is really, really cheap. You know, it is one of the best things you can do. I could go on about the negatives of this, but in all honesty, because I've been wearing for a long time now, I can't find a negative in it. I enjoy all aspects of it. So I had to really dig through my camera roll for this. So here are some of the pictures I've taken of myself, just so you can see a few dotted around. These were a rarity. I didn't really like my picture being taken. You know, some people just don't care about being bald or anything like that, and some people it looks amazing on, and there is nothing against anyone being bald. It's more just about how you feel in yourself and how you want to look. So my camera roll now is more like this. So, you know, that is a big thing that will change. You'll just want to take pictures of yourself. Again, it's a vanity thing. Why not? You love it. Once you have the hair system, you get it right, then you just will love taking pictures of yourself. It's a new you, a new start. There are lots of things to be worried about going for a hair system. Big one being, you know, people you know, family members, friends, partners, seeing you as this different person. So I found when I originally got mine done, the first week was hit and miss. You'll be up and down. One day you'll love it, next day you won't, because you'll be like, oh, I can't style it right, I can't do this to it, or it's just, oh, I've got a little lift, and it's a bit of panic. But trust me, once you get past that first week, it becomes a lot easier. You learn to manage it, you learn to style it, you learn it to become part of you, and you forget that it's a hair system and it feels like it's part of you and no longer really that you're bald. And that is just how it becomes. And then every day you can get up, brush your hair, style it, you know, just play with it. It is fun. And another thing I'm going to address as well, this more comes from my side. So you might think there's going to be haters out there, people are going to put you down or anything like that. That is very rare. You know, I do get comments on YouTube. Lucky enough, YouTube blocks those type of comments because they can be a bit aggressive. But that is very, very rare. I have massive support from lots of people, and I'm constantly told how good their hair looks. Once, you know, they've seen you 3 or 4 times, it's hard for them to imagine you being bald again. So, you know, it's a brilliant move if you really want to do it. Yeah, we got maintenance, lots of things to learn, but that is like anything you do. It's a learning curve. Once you get used to doing your maintenance, and if you do decide to take off and put it on yourself and all those other bits, then, you know, happy days. It's going to cost you minimal per year to have a full head of hair. You know, I've had this system about between a month and 2, still going really strong, put conditioner in it. I think this will last me about 4 to 5 months before it dries out. So it's not the shedding or anything like that, it will dry out completely, I reckon, by that time. Purely because I do a lot of videos, I do some styling and all other bits and bobs, so you know, people can make them last a lot longer. And these sort of systems, you're looking at around about up to $300. So if you can make that last, you know, at least 6 months, then you are paying next to nothing for a full head of hair. If you can attach it right, get that hairline you like, then you're winning at the end of the day. I bloody love it. Might sound a bit passionate about it, but that's, you know, what I love to do. So I'm also thinking at the moment of looking to do this on a bigger scope in regards of attaching hair systems. So there will be another video in relation to that. But you know, please go and watch my other video that's a bit more detail in regards to your fears and your positives and everything else like that in regards to a hair system. And I just wanted to create this one today just to say, you know what, I've never looked back now. I absolutely love it. I'm not getting rid of it. You know, I love being able to style my hair. I wake up with bed hair nearly every day. Some days you get lucky and it's still in the same position, but every day it's everywhere. Spray in conditioner, comb, it's like this. So I haven't gelled it or anything today. This is just conditioner and a comb in about 30 seconds, which is brilliant. So if you're thinking about it, yep, you will have a few hurdles at the beginning, but if you stick with it, it'll be amazing. Don't care what people say. That is a big thing. If you can move past that, then you know you are gonna be sorted. So you're gonna have this hair, but make sure as well you aim for the hairstyle that's right for you. And I've said it before and I'll say it again, try and get a hairstyle you used to have when you used to style your hair, if you had hair, you know, from an earlier age. I'm not talking like Justin Bieber, like that age or anything, but I'm talking about once you had that main style of hair, that's always one of the best hairs to go back to, and that's what my hair was. So I'm just going to put a picture here, and as you can see there, that was how my hair used to be. So I've gone for a similar style where it swept a bit to the side, short. Obviously I was receding more back then, but you can see I had that same sort of style. And I do see some people go for the longer style, and I'm not a big fan of it when it's longer and swept back, because I see a lot of people have that perfect hairline, swept back, and it's, yeah, I think, you know, if you want that swept back, you have to have like, you know, a slightly off C contour and A contour sort of hairline to make it look quite realistic. Otherwise, yeah, it just looks too perfect sometimes, and there's sort of hairs that you see models wear. So, you know, I'm more about going for the realistic look. I'm not here to sort of say, right, I'm a model, I've got to have it all perfect. I love doing the hairline slightly wonky, I recede it, so that way it is like spot on for how I like it and how realistic I can get it to look. So yeah, quick video on that one today. I hope you enjoyed it. Lots more content as usual coming along soon.